In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Drive for desktop and manage multiple Google accounts seamlessly. Whether you need to access personal files or work-related documents, installing and organizing Google Drive on your computer will make your life so much easier. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to google.com/drive-download. Here you'll find the download page for Google Drive for desktop. This application allows you to easily sync your files between your computer and the cloud. Go ahead and click on the download button specific to your operating system, be it Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your computer. With Google Drive for desktop installed, the next step is to locate and open the newly installed app on your computer. You'll find it in your applications folder or through a simple search in your system's search function. Once you've got the app running, it's time to sign in with your Google account. Start by entering the email and password for your first Google account to log in. This process links your computer to your cloud storage, ensuring that your files are constantly backed up and accessible from anywhere. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a small Google Drive icon that appears in your taskbar if you're on Windows or in your menu bar if you're using a Mac. From here, you have quick access to your Drive's settings and features. Click on this icon to access more options. Now, to manage multiple accounts, you'll need to click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. In the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Add Another Account. This feature is particularly useful if you regularly switch between different Google accounts for work, school, or personal use. Follow the prompts to sign in with your second Google account, ensuring you use the correct email and password. Once signed in, your second account will be synced alongside your first, allowing you to easily switch between accounts and access files from either one. If you have additional accounts you need to link, simply repeat this process for each one. It's as simple as clicking the gear icon again and choosing Add Another Account each time. This way, you can toggle between multiple accounts without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up Google Drive for desktop and manage multiple Google accounts with ease. This setup is perfect for keeping your digital life organized and accessible no matter where you are. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.